What is Dart? When it comes to understanding Dart, you should know that it is an object-oriented and class-defined language which use C-style syntax which transcompiles optionally into JavaScript. Dart offers a lot of support. This means that it can support interfaces, abstract classes, mixins, static typing, and even a sound type system. Now, all these terms might sound a bit too much for those of you who aren't familiar with such jargon. Well, let me make things easier for you. Basically, Dart helps you with creating beautiful, high-quality experiences across all device screens through a language that is client-optimized, easy-to-use flexible tooling, and very powerful and rich frameworks. Coming to the next chapter, I will be talking about and taking all of you over a brief history of mobile app development, how it evolved through the times, and why you, as a prospective app developer, might end up making a name for yourself in this field through Google Flutter, or perhaps some other SDK you are comfortable with using. So let's move on.